Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So let's start our next lecture. First of all, this lecture name is handling missing values. The missing values a lot of columns have missing values, and we will be dealing these missing values. Okay. First of all, I import the pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and .pyplot as PLT. Okay, cbond as SNS. Here you can select the kernel. I made the Python underscore ML virtual environment. In this virtual environment, I have installed all the important libraries. So I want to restart the kernel. Yeah. So while it's restarting, we can move forward. Just run on. Okay, the load dataset Titanic, and we check the df.head first 5 rows of the Titanic dataset. Here are these, and then describe these Titanic dataset rows, 891 rows there were. Okay, and this describe function, I've also told you that it gives you the statistical information, 25%, 50% max, mean, standard deviation, mean, etc. And dot info will give you the all the information of the columns, float type, category type, object type is the column, whether the column is of bool type, and all this information, which is very important. Okay, find the missing values. How to find the missing values? Df dot is null. Is null will tell you that whether the values are null or not, and then dot sum will sum all the null values if present in each column. So survived column has no null value, p class don't has, sex don't has null value, age has 177 null values, deck has 688 null values, and it has almost 80% null values. So we can remove this deck column. If the column has more than 50% null values, then you can remove this column, because this column will cause a lot of error. If the column has 20% null values, 10% null values, 20% null values, then we can impute these null values, impute these missing values by using median function, mod function, mean function. And what this mean, mod, and mean function will do, it will fill these null values, fill those null values by the mean, of the whole column, by the mean of every values in the column. Okay, if you do it by mod, then it will take the mod of, and suppose second value is a null value, and it will take the mod of first and second, and what will be the mode, it will place it in the center. Okay, and likewise this for mean. Okay, Tech has 688, Alive has embark time has 2 null values. Okay, df dot is null sum divided by length of df multiplied by 100. It will give you the percentage of the missing values. Look, age has 19% and tech has 77% missing values. So length of df is 891. You can create the null values heat map. Here you can see that where is the deck column. Deck column has a lot of null values. Here these yellow lines say that there are null values, and there are a lot of null values in age column. There are several in the age column. There are missing values in several places. In class there is embark, and in the embark there are few missing values. In the bark town there are few missing values, which we are going to handle in this lecture. Okay, what is this stuff? This is giving a lot of warnings while I run this. So I can do, what I can do here is ignore the what are these warning from warning or ignore the warnings from warnings. Wait a second. Yeah, I have done this. Import warnings, warning dot filter warnings, and ignore. It will ignore the warnings when I run this. Yeah, it will not give the warnings anymore. So fill missing values in the age with median. It will fill the age columns null values here. Columns null values with median function. Okay, what will be the median of the column? It will fit in those null values. Okay, in place true means whatever the changes are, implemented in the column. Okay, embarked on fill DF embarked on in this scenario we are imputing this using mode function. You can use anyone, but mode is used with the mainly for numerical kind of sorry for numerical kind of data. And wait, I can embarked. Yes, single numerical kind of categorical kind of data. Here you can also use category numerical kind of data. Mean median is used for categorical data mainly. You can use it for else also. But mean is, I think, the more precisely work on numerical data. Df.head. Okay, and df sex dot value count, it will give you the value count of the males and females in the df column. Okay, df dot unique sex dot unique will give you the unique values of the sex column, which are male and female. Okay, df sex comma age dot head, it will give you the first 5 rows of sex and age column. It is called as filtration of specific columns you want. Okay, here we can print the sex column, unique values of the sex column, and we can also get the n unique values. N unique values are number of unique values. It will tell you what were the unique values of sex, male and female, and what are their count. Two, one is male and other one is female. Here it is. Okay, and here is df and unique values. Whatever the values in the data set, the number of unique values, there it is. Survived has 2 unique values, age has 88 unique values, starting from 0 to 88. Fair has 248 unique values, means someone has given fair 0, someone has given 800, someone has given 200, so 248 categories there. Okay, df columns tell you all the columns in the data. Uh, you can I have also explained this in previously. You can check out this all the unique values and unique values and value counts. Group by function, which is very important. Group by function will make the group df dot group by sex and fair. It will make the sex and fair group basis of the mean. Likewise, look, here is sex, and sex is what? Male and female. And what is the fair dot mean? Means it will make the group of sex, and what will this sex do? It will give you the mean of the fare, means mean of the what they have the passengers have paid for traveling in the Titanic. Female have paid on an average 44, and male have paid on an average 25. So group by I think that's why female were prioritized on getting out of the Titanic. You can also check out this. If I run it again, you will see there no warning, as I have removed that warning section. Okay, this is all the stuff I have already explained. It will make the group of survived sex and who base. Look, those who survived, what was their sex and what was their class and what was their fare on the basis of fare. And take the mean of the fare and make the group on the basis of these 3 columns. Okay, survived 0 1 means 0 means they didn't survive, and 1 means they survived. Okay, sex is the female and male, and who is child, woman, and man. Those who were survived, and female child who and their and her